Hi everyone, it's me Lauren for Lovely's Instinct, and today I'm coming to you with a product review and also a giveaway. Yay! So if you've been following me for a long time, you know that periodically I do nail giveaways that range from like nail art supplies, nail polish, gel nail systems, UV lamps, footsie baths, you name it. I've probably given away some point in the past. So before I get into that, I just really want to quickly touch on a lot of stuff that's on my channel and coming to my channel. So there was a series that I did most recently that was like business videos where you can learn about the different business licenses types that you can get, help on wanting to start your own wholesale business, how to do drop shipping. So like if you're into crafts or you're thinking about selling beauty supplies like nail polish or shampoo or hair care or even bundles like hair weave, then those are the videos for you. And then also coming up, we have more videos of me and my kids, the family vlogs and things of that nature. So make sure you check out those playlists. And also you might want to follow me on Instagram at Lovely's Instinct, where you can get a day-to-day insight on what it is that I have going on, such as the products that I use, the things that are going on at my home, etc. So I hope you'll check out all that stuff. So back to the giveaway. So for this giveaway, I want to focus on one of my absolute favorite brands. I have a lot of brands, as you can tell from some of my past nail videos, that I absolutely love. And nowadays I really do focus on products that are cruelty free, vegan friendly, meaning they don't have a lot of toxins in them. Some can be 5 free, 7 free, 8 free, and I think 10 free was one of the last updates that I saw on one of the brands that I absolutely love. So today I want to talk about Butter London Polish. Butter London is a really good brand. They have a wide array of colors, which is a really good thing. Sometimes that's hard to find in a line of polish that is free of toxins, but they have so many colors I can't even name all of them. And they also have new products that have added technology in it that you can check out on their website, such as I think it's called Pantone technology maybe, and crushed diamonds, and the bottles are absolutely gorgeous. But what I love about their line is that they also have like a cuticle remover that you can use. You just brush it on the nail, and you could use a cuticle remover, like the cuticle remover stick, like an orange wood or even the metal one. And you could easily just brush off that, push off that extra dead skin to make sure that your nail beds are nice and smooth and clean for polish application. And another one of my favorites is their gel technology top and base coat. It does not have to be UV cured, which is awesome, but it gives your polish an extra high shine. And with that system, I will say I do get about a week's wear, but for me, I usually get quite a few days out of my polish if I'm gentle on my nails. On my nails right now, I have a product that I'll mention later on in a future video that is by Habit Cosmetics, so look forward to that. But if you want to see the details on that right now, then you could head on over to my Instagram. I'll put the link below, and you can see the post of exactly what that polish looks like in person. So let's talk about this Butter London. So in my giveaway, I'm going to have 2 winners. So it's going to be 4 colors that will be given away. I'm going to do 2 colors per box, and I want you to see. What I love about these is that the bottle is square, it's easy to hold, and also, well, these haven't been opened, so I don't want to open them for demonstration purposes, to make sure that they get to you safely, sealed, completely hygienic, and it's no question about somebody using them beforehand. But on all of their bottles, if the camera will focus, put my hand behind it so you can see, there's actually a sticker on there, and the sticker seals the bottle. But this top can actually come off if you don't feel comfortable brushing with a square. So you could just pop this off, and it's a round top underneath that you can brush with your polish. So the polishes in the giveaway are going to be Squatter. That's a beautiful green color. And then you're also going to get Fiber. That's more of a, not an aqua blue, maybe a teal blue, but not quite. Pale blue, not baby blue. Mint blue, maybe, yeah, mint. It's more of a mint blue. Then in the second prize pack, you're going to get ALCOPOP. 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 ALCOPOP? I'm thinking I'm pronouncing that right. You know I chop and screw names from time to time. It's a beautiful, almost, not quite bubblegum pink, but a shade lighter than bubblegum pink. And then also in that prize pack, you are going to get Silly Billy, which is a beautiful bright orange, which is perfect for the spring and summer colors. So the details on how to enter this giveaway are going to be quite simple, and the more things you do, the more entries you will receive. So the basic entries, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below. And just tell me, what are you looking forward to for the spring and summer season? That's all you have to do. Now, if you want extra entries, you have to go over to Instagram and like my page there, like, follow, and the post that I'll put up regarding this giveaway, I want you to comment on it and say, hey, I followed and I'm entering the giveaway. So please count this towards my entry as well. And if your username is different on Instagram than what it is on YouTube, then please let me know so that I can keep a tally of that. If you want an even more entry opportunity, then repost the Instagram picture on your Instagram. Make sure you do all the tags, and I'll have all this on Instagram as well, and that'll give you another entry. If you want another entry, you could also tweet about this on Twitter, and you could also share the video on your personal Facebook. And if you share it on Facebook, please send me a link. You can make it public so that I can see it to verify that you did that. So those are the ways that you can enter. Comment, like, subscribe to this channel, then go over to Instagram, follow, like, possibly repost the picture for the giveaway, and then also share the video on your Facebook page as well. And you could also get additional 5 entries if you like my Lovely Instinct LLC business page on Facebook as well. And I'll put all these details in the description below so that you can keep up with what's going on. But always, always, always make sure you let me know which entries that you did so that I can keep up and keep a tally, and I'll be able to notify you about if you won or not. So again, here are the colors. In one bag, you will get this beautiful green and blue. Beautiful together. I'm almost jealous that I don't have these for myself. And then in the next bag, you're going to get this beautiful pink and this orange. And that's all you have to do to enter. And I hope that all of you decide to join this contest. It's a really great and fun way for me to get to know you all more. And also, it's a great way for you to get the opportunity to experience the great Butter London nail polish line. And as always, I hope to see you all soon. So take care. Bye.